what if you forget or if you lost your key, cabinet key or any kind of drawer key? So this is Adil Sultan Hanif, and guys, you are watching DIY gadgets. Let me show how to open. So guys, you have to just twist this lock for to anti-clockwise this side from one hand, and the second hand you can uh, use this pin. Place this pin inside like this, then slightly press. The inside is this lock. There is a bunch of pins. You have to just click all pin one by one, and simultaneously you have to twist this knob to anti-clockwise. Then you can see, then easily you can unlock uh, this type of lock. Then you can see I have unlocked this. Dun, dun, dun. Now guys, I can blast my nuclear weapon. I can use my nuclear weapon to any of you guys. This is not a nuclear weapon, this is a lighter, cigarette lighter. And this is my World War II weapon. This is my pistol. Ha 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 ha. Look at this guys, this is like original. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and click on bell icon. Thank you guys. Allah Hafiz.